I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. Got set. Follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on, my figure. I go just stay, follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm fucking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill.
Guys, nous venons retourner tennis ça. Bichi te gen tenis la pou 2 mois depuis lors de online, you va jamais.
Pas jamais bien parce que retourner tennis là, guys. Et c'est comme ça nous allons retourner tennis là parce que lorsque on va aller online, c'est plus facile pour retourner. So, thank God parce que ma compte de va avec processus ça.
Yeah, et puis oui trop gros lors de online. ERIS.
ERIS, go 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 ERIS.
Qui veut danser? Si va voir moun la danser.
Moi je suis. ERIS took over the phone. Did you say hi? Did you say hi to Vloggy Vlog? Say hi to Mommy's Vlog. Did you say hi to Mommy's Vlog? Yeah, it's much smaller. Yeah, this feels good.
Good?
Yeah. I could have gotten a 5, but I just want the little cushion just in case. If my feet go overnight.
Ah, bon bagay, yeah.
Yeah.
Ça be bon.
Yeah, and be comfortable not here.
Yeah, it be bon.
Yeah.
Alright, so, on ale nan Zara.
Yeah. Par contre, si nous te dit ça, guys, nous voulons acheter un lot canapé pour en l'air, so c'est ça n'a pas fait pour nous. Nous avons un canapé qui vraiment aimé, it's so nice, I love it. Par contre, c'est vrai dans l'autre couleur, est-ce qu'on a qu'à acheter dans l'autre couleur, mais pour couleur liée qu'on y a, moi aimé, very cute, very nice. So, elle est confortable. J'ai besoin d'un canapé qui est confortable parce que là, on a regardé mon vie en l'air, je ne sais pas pour dos m'a fait mal, pour m'a coucher, bagay ça. So, et ça n'a fait qu'on y a. Et moi elle bien belle, et Jeffrey Mel. Moi Mel. Comme vous connaissez, c'est nous tous les deux qui étaient là, sauf nous tous les deux mes canapés pour nous acheter. Mais nous tous les deux même. Et avec ça pour aider un petit toutou, et puis le un petit chien, il va arrêter. Whoop whoop, yeah. She loves dogs.
Never seen such a little.
Yeah, she's seen it on TV, but not like.
No, my dog never seen such a little girl.
Oh, it's the girl. Oh my God, look at her bow.
She's fine. Hi.
Eris, depuis le petit chien, get un coup, il besoin de chien moulin. Non, maman. Il besoin de courir pour chien moulin. Say hi, vloggy. Say hello, vlog. Say hi, vloggy. No, woof woof I live. Woof woof left already. Woof woof say bye bye.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I get smoked already so hard in my blunt is. I see guys' pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. No crib, talk to come through, it's time to break it in. 32 like my pin size, cause the niggas try breaking it. No condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had the poppers from the recreate the feeling. But it's never the same.
Oh, mes amis, mon yo, Eris, elle monte un cheval là. Eris content, première fois là, elle monte un cheval. Regardez, il est content. Oh, il va venir là. Eris va venir là à côté. Melly. Yeah! Eris pode sur un cheval. Eris, vous te remet tes rides là? Yeah?
Did you like it?
Il te remet.
Eris did.
Yeah, te remet.
She had fun.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay, you guys, nous sommes shopping.
Nous sommes petit shopping. Nous sommes monter cheval.
Voilà. Vous voulez monter cheval là, John?
Non, hein? Moi?
monter cheval?
Non, je ne monter cheval.
Monter cheval.
Si je monter, ça m'a crasé. Non, nous bon, on va monter cheval là encore. Mais tu vois ça belle, moi mais tu vois ça en pays. Belle cheval. Okay guys, now we're encore.
I want a medium mac and cheese.
A medium mac and cheese. Yes, I want the special. What? The Chick-fil-A sauce?
Chick-fil-A sauce?
Yes.
Anything else?
What else?
A medium mac and cheese.
A medium mac and cheese.
With a medium fries.
A medium fries.
With a small strawberry lemonade.
And a small strawberry lemonade.
Strawberry lemonade, anything else?
And that's it. Thank you.
Deluxe tomato, pepper.
Yes.
Medium mac and cheese and medium fries, a small strawberry lemonade.
Yes. Alright. Just a second. Alright, thank you. Thank you. Have a good one. Alright. They got two. You want more?
Yeah.
You want more?
Yeah.
Excuse me. May I have some more of the Chick-fil-A sauce? Two more. Yes.
There you go.
Thank you.
Pleasure, enjoy your day, guys.
Thank you. Thank you. Tastes so good.
A few moments later.
Guys, we not see fat lamba continue garant them, but you come back up tombe la. When you have done, see. Malgré pas qu'il y a un pile haïtien Los Angeles, but when you still have relax, when you still get together. Moi, je comprends pas. Ma fille.
DJ